Hi guys, hi Mrs.Ine. Welcome to my video. My name is Moses Saragi from 1011. So now I'm going to show you the instructions how to use QRIS as a cashless payment method. As you well know, for today, using cash as the payment method is inefficient, right? Because we have to grab our money and take the changes. It's wasting much time, right? So to do that, first we need a phone. Then you can go to the store and search and choose any products you wanted to buy. After get the product, go to the cashier and ask them do they support the payment in a cashless way. If they do, you have to open the cashless app and search any barcode on the store and then click the scan menu. After the scan successful, you have to put the price. And of course, click pay now. Then put your PIN code. Wait till it shows the payment successful. And done. It's so simple, right? Thank you for watching my tutorial. See you another time. Thank you Mrs.Ine and thank you mate for watching my video. Bye.